On this video, the sound, I was moving some computers around. I got to get the sound settings tweaked. This video might be a little bit loud, so you might have to turn your volume down. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin, banging. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 worth of Bitcoin at the end of the month. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, let's go. Free Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin daily chart. Pretty epic. Explosive 2 days, 3 days potentially out of Bitcoin. Now, important idea here is you've got, let's play which trend line is it? Is this the trend line where we need a breakout of? We don't really have amazing volume. But the key is we want to see Bitcoin put in a higher high, higher than the previous high. Remember, most of us are breakout traders, right? We had entry ideas down here with this breakout and then with this breakout. And so I'll show you an entry idea that I gave you in the past, which, you'd be up considerably if you bought in these breakout ideas. So now the daily candle close coming in about 6 hours is going to confirm this higher high, which is definitely a bullish idea. However, there are some ideas that you could get some type of retrace. And if you're looking for entry on Bitcoin, it's always best not to FOMO in. If you look for pullbacks, that's your best entry. I like to trade altcoins primarily, but Bitcoin dominance is booming. We're going to talk about quite a few scenarios, and if you're new in crypto, you need to understand how these work. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We talked about the idea where Bitcoin needed to break above this resistance, essentially break out of this falling wedge. So most people bought here as far as Bitcoin goes. Now this is a higher high than this previous high. So you want to see some type of, it would be bullish to see some type of pullback and retest of this level. Okay, so pullback would be healthy because this has been parabolic price action. If we go into the 1-hour chart, see it's respecting this parabola. Now, altcoins aren't performing well versus Bitcoin, so your alt BTC pairs are getting destroyed. But if you get a pullback out of Bitcoin, you can see alts recover. However, Bitcoin's famous for explosive pumps. When you're looking for the Bitcoin pullback for entry, we talked about, hey, this would be a dream. It would be a dream pullback to get a pullback down in here, and it doesn't happen, and that's common, right? And so one thing about Bitcoin, when it starts running, you don't get the pullbacks that you want to because everybody else is waiting for them too, and they front run these ideas. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he joined the group. He made $8,000 in a week. This person's up $13,000 in the last 2 days. This person turned $2,000 to $6,800. Bottom line is this. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. All the Bitcoin moves, the altcoin setups, everything's updated constantly around the clock. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. You can pay with cryptocurrency. You get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or the year. If you pay for the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay month to month, you can also pay with a card. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. So this is Hive, up 160%. This is one of the top gainers on Binance right now. We started buying this. We're up 160% in Hive. This is CTX. This thing is up 164% since we started buying this. Life change. You got to be in the right coins. You have to be in the right coins. Listen, I posted this September 30th in the group, and I said, 2021, fourth quarter, starts tomorrow. Decision time for Bitcoin. Critical move coming in 24 to 48 hours, right? We talked about this idea. And I said, hey, look, I'm still cash heavy. Bitcoin's at 44,000. I'm waiting for a breakout or retest of this level. Bulls need this level back. What happened? Bang. Breakout right here was the entry idea. Like, how you don't get a whole lot better than this. Like, yeah, if you would have bought the bottom, sure. If you were holding Bitcoin, obviously. But for me, I like to skip the downtrends, and then I compound my profits because I'm riding these uptrends. That's how you make life-changing money in this market. If you need help with this, I can show you. If you want different results, you have to think differently, period. You can't do the same thing and expect different results. It doesn't work like that. When the market's good, it's great, right? However, you have to understand that there's a point where selling takes practice. right? And so just encourage you guys, keep watching the channel, keep learning. This is how you change your life, learning. And so definitely the idea that you guys are even watching this channel, watching these videos, I mean, it tells me that you want more out of life. And that's what this is about. It's not about the money. It's about the freedom that the money gives us, right? This is Bitcoin dominance. So it's pumping. And I said, hey, this is going to help us time the Bitcoin moves. And I knew the Bitcoin move is coming. I drew this little triangle to show you, like, hey, the Bitcoin move is coming. You have to understand these ideas. This look familiar? A lot of people are calling Bitcoin like this cup and handle, right? If Bitcoin's going to all-time highs, number one, it obviously has to break the previous high, 64,000. If that happens, you know, $100,000 Bitcoin, $80,000 Bitcoin in the cards, if that happens, you know, you're looking at 6,000 to 9,000, I think, are conservative estimates for Ethereum. But it's all dependent on Bitcoin continuing higher. We want everything change. As soon as Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, it's going to be like Luna. It's going to be like all those coins just went parabolic crazy. And you just couldn't even believe it. Watch. Now, these are the moon cycles. We talk about this just because, hey, it's been relevant. You know, this is a bullish moon pump. Bullish moon, small pump. Bullish moon, bullish moon, clear pump. Bullish moon pump. Bullish moon pump. So we have a bearish moon coming, which you can see bearish moon dump, bearish moon dump, bearish moon pullback. Not really. So, and again, I don't trade this. I'm just watching it, right? And so this is just, there is a bearish moon coming. But the Bitcoin bulls, can they do the opposite of what the moon says it should do? This is SPI. I gave this to you yesterday. These gem picks will help you double and triple your bags. Like, you want to hit these multiples. SPI, I gave it to you yesterday. Bang. 24% gains in a day. 24% in less than a day. I think I made the video last night in like 12 or 16 hours. Huge. Luna. Okay. Luna has tremendous upside. This was price discovery. You want to see this previous level, previous all-time high. You want to see Luna bounce here and then continue higher. And you could see, you know, $59, $60 Luna based on this idea. This support level has to hold. And then Luna will be Muna. ARX added again. This thing is forming a huge bull pennant. I think it has the same exact potential as it did back here. Look what happened here. Previously, ARX, KuCoin gem pick today. I'm looking for a massive move out of ARX. Look at this thing. It broke out from 3 cents and ran all the way up. Crazy. I mean, look at this wick, all the way up to 18 cents. All right, so let's 2x or 3x first. But this thing is setting up. I mean, it's above the 200 simple. It's running out of room. It's ready to explode. Right? I think you can see 60, 70, 80% gains out of this over the short term. This thing, last time it exploded, we got 50% gains out of ARX last time. This is today's KuCoin gem pick. This thing is ready to boom. This is like the content that I provide on a daily basis. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.